Before refilling, prepare the following items. Sinjink BP900 pigment ink. For stoppers, hand drill form, flathead screwdriver. Identify the two locks on each side of the cartridge. Use a flathead screwdriver to press down on the metal piece to release both locks. Once unlocked, carefully remove the cover from half of the cartridge. Use the hand drill to create a 4mm hole on the cartridge. For black cartridges, drill the hole slightly towards the center. Open the correct ink bottle cap, pierce through the protective foil, and securely close the cap. Insert the tip of the ink bottle into the drilled hole. Gently squeeze the ink into the cartridge until it is full. Insert a stopper into the drilled hole to seal it. Slot the cover back to the cartridge, ensuring it locks securely back onto the cartridge. After refilling, the printer may display a warning message indicating it cannot detect the cartridge ink volume. This is normal. The printer will still function as expected.